Hello friends, myself Mohit and I am going to dictate you Steno Legal Matter. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
We have no dispute with the proposition that common object may be formed at the spur of the moment and that prior meeting of minds or a formal assembly consisting of the members of the unlawful assembly to commit a particular crime may not be essential. Stop. The precedent on the point referred to earlier would indicate that the knowledge of the members of the assembly that the act which actually occurred was very likely to be caused by their acts is sufficient to make them vicariously liable for the ultimate consequences. Stop. But in the instant case, we see from the evidence is that the first part of the occurrence at village was only an altercation between PW1 and A3 in the presence of A6 and A9 with regard to the bikers not giving way and passage to the car driven by PW1 for overtaking. Stop. The altercation also did not last long enough so as to form a vengeance in the mind of A3, A6 and A9 so as to garner support of the remaining accused to form an unlawful assembly with the common object of committing murder, particularly of the deceased, because the altercation was only with A3 and PW1 and the deceased had nothing to do with the altercation. Stop. Under the circumstances, we are of the opinion that the accused definitely did not have a common object of murdering the deceased. Stop. It is also relevant to note that had the accused entertained the common object to commit murder or even previous act, they would have been lying in wait for the Scorpio car armed with deadly weapons. Stop. None of the prosecution witness has a case that the accused had accosted them at the scene of occurrence armed with deadly weapons. Stop. It is only after the witnesses alighted from the car PW1 had a conversation with A9 and accused numbers 1, 2 and 3 picked up the weapons which were available there and attacked the passengers in the car, including the deceased. Stop. Even if A3 had called for others to kill, it could not have been the deceased because he only had a vengeance against PW1 and therefore the entire occurrence as appeared to us from the oral testimony of witnesses would indicate that it is only a chance encounter without any premeditated motive in prosecution of common object. Stop. It is also pertinent to note that PW1 had testified that he had a friendly conversation with A9 in the beginning after he alighted from the car at the scene of occurrence. Stop. It is also testified that when the accused went to attack the passengers of the car, including the PW1, A9 had prevented others from causing injuries. Stop. This particular statement in the testimony of PW1 clearly exonerated A9 of the allegations of having acted in prosecution of common object of committing murder. Stop. He was not even wielding any weapon in his hands. Stop. In fact, except A1, A2 and A3, none of the other accused had picked up any weapon from the scene of occurrence. Stop.